Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the iPhone and launching the calculator, either from the home screen or control center. Once done, look at the portrait keypad. Digits, plus, minus, multiply, divide, equals, and clear. Tap a number, then an operator. The display shows your input so you can verify. Make sure to enter each digit deliberately because the app doesn't ask for confirmation. Finally, press the next number and then equals to see the result. This is the simplest, reliable way to compute. Once you need advanced tools, rotate the iPhone to landscape to reveal the scientific functions like sine, cosine, log, exponent, and parentheses. This expands what you can calculate without a separate app. Make sure to use M+ to add a result to memory and M to subtract so you can accumulate values. Mr. recalls that stored number when required. Also, use the decimal point and the +/- key for negatives, and the % button for percentage calculations to finish compound steps cleanly. To finish, press equals to lock in a result. If you need to change something, tap C to clear the last entry or AC to reset entirely. Once done, you can chain operations by continuing to press operators and equals or use parentheses in landscape for grouped math. If you mistype a digit, swipe left on the display to delete a single digit. This saves retyping. If the app freezes or gives odd results, force quit calculator or restart the iPhone. That usually resolves glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.